Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the elegant hair combo that you need to try in Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. Alright, first of all, I'm going to go to the hairstyle selection and then I'm going to go to the wavy category and choose this one, and then we're going to color it brown. Actually, for the color, it depends on you. Depends on the color that you want to apply, and for me I'm just going to choose this one, and then I'm going to go to the curly hair and then I'm going to choose this one, and then I'm going to apply this color. Alright, and then I'm going to choose this one as well, and then we're going to make it the same color, and I'm going to go to the updo category, choose this hair, and then we're going to choose only bangs. And then I'm going to apply this color, okay, for the first selection and also the second selection. And then finally you will have this elegant hair combo in Dress to Impress. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!